What's going on? Welcome to Airguns, Texas. I am Mitchell Priest, and we will be shooting the Benjamin Marauder 22 caliber, 1,000 feet per second with an 8-shot magazine. Today's target is going to be steel plates and cans. So, hope you enjoy the shooting. Now, y'all might be wondering what optics I'm using. I'm using it's a Bushnell Banner 3x9x50. It's a cheap scope, about $100, but that's all you really need for the Marauder. It's capable of reaching out there and making the shots happen when they want. Alright, I got 3 shots left. Let's take some cans. Let me adjust the gun here just a minute. Now for the last shot, I'm going to give you something special. We got us a rigged up pop target down there. Let's see what I can do. Well guys, again, this is shooting the Benjamin Marauder 22 caliber. Hope you enjoyed the shooting. I'm out.